Nice! And you even got something. Not bad at all, right? Safety's on? Okay. More in there. 2 for 2, man! You sure you've never done this? Pop it out.
Yeah.
Man, I think you're a natural. You're hustling me, man.
No, beginner's luck.
Time for number 2. Happy birthday, man. How did you feel, bro?
That felt amazing. Like first time shooting a gun, and man, it felt like I had a piece of power right here, and wherever I wanted to shoot, I just had to point.
Yeah.
And just take a deep breath and
Yeah.
shoot.
That's
It's very put things into perspective for sure.
good. Did you like it?
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah.
I definitely would do more shooting, take probably more safety classes and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
that way I'm way versed in shooting. And stuff
Yeah.
like that.
I mean, you have a good aim, man. I
Yeah,
highly
beginner's
recommend
luck.
continuing.
I just got lucky.
Hey, don't sell yourself short, bro.
Yeah.
All right. Good aim is good aim. You know, keep practicing, make it better. That's the main thing.